Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Easter. Today's Easter, so I have my bunny ears. So welcome back to another episode of the Subtraction Cafe. Before we get started, I'm going to talk about our objective today and what we're going to be working on this week for math. So this week, we're going to be working on subtraction again. And it says, I can solve word problems using objects and drawings to find differences within 10. And that is K.3b. So I'll just let you see it for just a second. So just like last week, we're going to be using objects, things that we have around the house, to help us practice our subtraction. And when we talk about subtraction or subtracting, we're talking about taking a number and taking it apart, or taking something away, okay? Taking a lesser number away from a greater number. So that's what we're gonna be talking about again today. And I also want you to remember when you are working on your subtraction problems to explain the strategies that you're using. Explain, tell the person that you're working with, how did you know to start with this number, to take this many away, and how did you know the difference or how many you had left? So I want you to work on explaining that, okay? So I'm going to reintroduce the chef of Subtraction Cafe. Oh, there's our sign for Subtraction Cafe. And sadly, due to what's going on right now, it's pickup only. So I'll be the customer coming to pick up my orders. So welcome back, Chef Jordan, to the Subtraction Cafe. And we're gonna be using some things that we have around the house, just some fun things. Okay, Chef Jordan, I think I'm going to order some eggs. Okay, so we're just using our Easter eggs that we had from our Easter egg hunt. So Chef Jordan started with 8 Easter eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, perfect. So, oh, these are beautiful sparkly eggs. And a customer came in to the Subtraction Cafe and ordered 6 of the eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how many eggs does Chef Jordan have left over?
2.
2. So we showed that using objects. Now we're going to show it using a picture. Okay, so we're going to show the same thing using a picture. So Chef Jordan started with 8 eggs. And I'm using our little dry erase table, but at home, you can use anything that you have. You can use paper, you can use chalk on the sidewalk, you can use paint, you can use water on your fence outside. That will show up and be fun. Anything that you have. And when I draw my pictures for my number sentences, I like to use circles because it just goes faster and it's easier. So Chef Jordan started with 8 eggs. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so there's our 8 eggs, okay? And a customer came and bought 6 of them. And I like to start at the end just because it's easier to see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And we are left with
2
eggs. Okay, so now we're going to write our number sentence. This just helps us kind of check our work to make sure that we counted correctly. And also it's good to show different ways to show the number sentence or to show the word problem. So we started with 8 eggs. And when we're subtracting, we always begin with the greater number. And we use our minus sign when subtracting. And how many eggs did the customer purchase?
6.
6. They bought 6, which means 6 of the eggs went away. And we were left with 2. So our number sentence says 8
minus 6 equals 2.
Awesome. Okay, Chef Jordan, we are going to cook up something new this time. Let's see. Let's use our peeps. Oh, yes. We got some peeps for Easter. So, the Subtraction Cafe is baking and selling peeps. Well, it looks like, there's already some peeps missing. So let's see, it looks like we started with 12, but we're only going to 10. We're only working on differences within 10. So we're just gonna start with the 10 that we have here. So it looks like we have 10 peeps. I'll give you a minute to count the peeps. You guys go ahead and count. Touch each peep as you count it. 1, 2, keep going. Okay, so you should have counted 10 peeps. Well, Chef Jordan is hungry. She's not going to sell her peeps. She's going to eat one of her peeps. So Chef Jordan gets to eat one of her peeps. She may not eat the whole thing in front of you. Oh, she's going to eat her peep. Poor peep. It can't hear anymore. It has no ears. So we started with 10 peeps. And Chef Jordan ate one of the peeps. How many peeps are left? I'll give you a second to count them. And if you said 9, that is the correct difference. We had 10 peeps. Chef Jordan ate one of the peeps, and now we're left with 9 peeps. Okay, so we're going to show that with a picture. And then we are also going to show it with a number sentence. So we started with 10 peeps, and I'm going to use circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Chef Jordan ate one of the peeps. So now we're left with 9, because 9 is 1 less than 10, and we only took 1 away. But we're going to count just to make sure, because there's a lot left here. And remember when you count to cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So our difference is 9. Let's go ahead and write our number sentence. We started with 10 peeps. Chef Jordan ate 1. So we're using our minus sign to show that 1 has gone away. And we are left with 9. So let's read our number sentence together.
10 minus 1 equals 9.
Perfect. And now at home, I'm going to pass this back to Chef Jordan. At home, I want you guys to do more than just 2. So I'm just showing you some fun things you can do at home. You can do this with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, cousins, brothers, sisters, whoever you're at home with right now, staying safe with. You can do these things and have fun. You can use Play-Doh. You can use anything that you have at home to practice your subtraction word problems. And don't forget to also draw a picture and write the number sentence after you have used your objects to subtract. This is going to help you check your work and remember. So once again, our objective today was I can solve word problems using objects and drawings to find differences within 10. And that was today's objective. I hope you guys had fun at the Subtraction Cafe. I'm missing you guys like crazy, all of you, whoever's watching this. And I really hope that we get to go back to school soon. So thank you, Chef Jordan. And thank you, Subtraction Cafe, for allowing us to film in your lovely restaurant. And I hope you guys all had a good Easter and have a great week. Bye-bye.